Hi, welcome back on the Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to delete the Google accounts in your Realme 14 Pro Plus. So to this operation, go to settings and search for the option user and accounts, and from here choose the Google accounts, and there is all accounts in your phone, so you can remove account by this option, and you can remove all accounts from your phone. Yep, every single by this option, and voila, in this case you have it. The vis protection features will no longer work. Okay, verify that's you. Yep, and that's it for now. So all Google accounts is already deleted from your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.